In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your email domain in Zoho CRM. This is an essential step if you want to ensure that your emails have proper deliverability rates and avoid being marked as spam. Plus, it's a great way to build trust with your clients by showing them that your communications are both verified and secure. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your Zoho CRM dashboard. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an icon that looks like a little gear. This is your settings. Go ahead and click on that to open your settings menu. The settings page is your command center for many functionalities, and you'll find yourself here often for various configurations. Now, look for the email option in the settings menu. Clicking on this will take you to a page specifically dedicated to email settings. Here you can manage your email configurations, which is crucial for maintaining efficient communication with your customers and clients. On this page, you'll want to find the Email Deliverability option. This is where the magic happens when it comes to ensuring your emails reach their intended recipients. Clicking on Email Deliverability will bring up a new set of options. Focus your attention on the Email Authentication section. This is exactly where you'll be making sure your email domain is properly verified. When you're on the Email Authentication page, you'll see an option that says Add Domain. This is where you input the domain you want to authenticate. Adding a domain is a straightforward process, but it essentially sets up the foundation for verifying that you are indeed authorized to send emails from this particular domain. Click on Add Domain and you'll be prompted to type in your email address. At this stage, it's important to provide the right email that corresponds to the domain you wish to verify. Click Add Domain once again after typing your email. Zoho will send a verification code to this email address, which you'll need to enter to complete the process. Be sure to check your inbox. Sometimes the verification email can end up in the spam folder, so don't forget to look there as well. After you receive the email, enter the provided code into the Zoho CRM system to finalize the authentication of your domain. And there you have it. A successfully authenticated email domain in Zoho CRM. This simple process helps improve your email deliverability and establishes credibility with your recipients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your Zoho CRM effectively.